Oh, here.
Oh!
It's not coming yet.
I'm so scared.
It's gonna choke him down.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Come on! Oh, they don't got the balls.
I'm so scared.
Hey, go be quiet.
I'm shaking.
Yeah, don't scream. Give me hand that.
Watch this. Oh,
They see it.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Oh, he didn't catch it.
I'm so scared. Look at him, look at him, look at him.
We're good friends.
Come on. Here comes, here comes.
Oh, hands up, Trevor.
Oh, snap.
Hey, how are you? We're feeding some birds. Watch this. That's my pet right there. Hey, Jack, come here.
Got a picture, Chase.
Oh!
Not like
Hey,
that.
Winston just grabs onto Alden's arm. It like pulls him. Well, no, it could pull him on back. Look at all of them now. There's like 6 of them. I ain't scared. Could be 30.
He's gonna catch it. Oh! Oh! What a snag! Oh, watch out!
Oh, God! I'm so scared. That's my pet right there. His name's Jack. Say what's up.
Oh! He wants it! He wants it!
Jack, come here.
Stop calling it Jack. Alright, here he comes. Oh, oh. Throw it to him.
Oh! He snagged it. Sometimes.
What? Hey, just hold him like that. They're gonna get it.
Come here, Jack. Jack, we're about to get shit on. Jack. You ready? Good job, Jack. Hey!
Oh! They're fighting over it.
Stop throwing it. Just let him come to it.
Hey, that bird's smart as fuck. He's sitting down there eating all the ones that drop.
Look at my bird here. I know, dude. They don't get it.
I'm so scared.
That one's pissed.
I'm so scared.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I don't know where to look.
Hey, watch this. Here we go.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit.
Whoa!
Stop throwing them and let it get Trevor's.
Watch out! Oh, that one was got you.
Let's see if they like. Don't throw them. Hey, let's see if they like to smoke. Let's see if they like to smoke.
No, don't do
Come
that.
here, Bart. Hey, he's gonna be like, God damn, that was hot.
Hey.
Here we go. Watch.
Dude, they don't kill you.
Here, watch.
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh, hey, Trevor.
Dog, don't let him
Let him get it. Let him get it. Let him get it. Oh! Bro, everybody be quiet when it goes next
You
time.
like a piece of bread. Something just like not in your hand. Hey, watch this!
Watch out. Oh, shit.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Come here. Come on. Hey, bro, I'm gonna grab it.
They're getting closer and closer.
Fuck you.
Hey, baby. Jack, come here.
You're my pet.
Hey, watch that one right there. This one's gonna get it. This one up to your left.
Chase!
Oh!
Why are they pussying out?
Oh, I'm about to hit her. You see that one on the scene? Hey, we're kind of amused by some birds, right? This kind of talking. This sometimes. Hey, Jack. Oh my.
There's that one just getting
There's
them
that
all.
one that's smart as shit right there.
Oh, dude.
Look at Einstein down
They
there.
like look at you and then they just want to win. So like he sits there. Well, I'm gonna do it eventually.
Yeah, Jack will. Here comes Jack right there. Jack! Whoa!
Don't scream, Trevor. You're scaring away. Here goes.
That one right there. He's going for it.
Swan dive.
We need one of these. Needs to grab it.
That would be so tight.
We got a 5-minute video going on.
We got 10 minutes, bro. Yeah, we gotta go. Hang on.
Oh, he just pooped.
Look at Eden.
He's only on one leg.
Hey, shit.
I know. The other one was like in his.
I'm gonna have to
Oh yeah, knocked the shit. He caught that.
Yeah.
That fucker just look, I'm just ready back with more. Oh, he snagged it.
That's so tight.
It's fresh.
Oh!
Watch this.
Oh!
Oh!
They're just like going.
Hey,
They're just like going in circles.
Hey, birdie, birdie, birdie.
hey, fake throw it and just hold it. Watch it come towards you.
Hey, look how many birds. Look how many birds you got up here now. Hey, no, put it on the ledge here.
Dude, what if all of those came?
Oh my God! Hey, look at all of them on the beach, son.
Oh, God. Who?
Why don't we just take it all later?
Are we allowed to do that? Oh!
Hey, look, if all of them on the beach come up here, it's gonna be ugly. Look at all of them.
What'd you just throw him?
Oh shit, that's not a hit on him. Oh, did you see that? Watch this, I'm trying to hit these people. Oh. Corey! Corey, watch! Watch!
Hey, we gotta go!
Oh, good snag, Jack.
Dude, stop! Stop scared.
Corey, look!
He was going for it. All right.
The bus is here, we gotta go!
Hey, I'm gonna put up like right here. What? What? Oh, that was sick!
Oh, Mike!
Hey, just put it on the balcony, dog. Watch.
Yeah, it's put on the balcony. We gotta go. Corey, where are my glasses?
Don't let
Alright.
him. Don't let him fly in here.
No, I want one to come in here.
Close the door.
Hey, hold on. I need to get my wallet. And my phone.
I want to throw it to him.
Anybody got any gum?